Pinning a comment on TikTok takes about 3 seconds once you know where to tap. We tested it on an iPhone 15 and a Samsung Galaxy S24, and it works the same on both. Here's everything you need. Open your own video and scroll down to the comments. Find the one you want at the top, then long press it for about 1 second. A menu pops up, tap pin, and the comment jumps to the top with a small pin icon. One catch, you can only pin comments on your own videos. On someone else's video, the pin option simply won't appear, and whoever wrote the comment gets a notification that it was pinned. That's automatic, and it can't be turned off. To remove a pin, long press it and tap Unpin. To swap one out, long press a new comment and tap Pin and Replace. The old one drops back to its normal spot. There's no undo and no confirmation, so be deliberate before you tap. TikTok lets you pin up to 3 comments per video at once, current as of the March 2026 update. Long press a 4th and you'll see Pin and Replace, choosing which one to swap out. This applies to creator and business accounts too. Why bother? Pin a real fan's reaction and you add instant social proof. Pin your own comment to drop in context or a correction, and pre-answer common questions once so the repeat follow-ups fall off. It's a moderation tool that saves real time. Not every comment earns the spot. The best pins do one of 3 things: validate the content, answer a question the whole audience shares, or add context the video left out. Skip vague praise like, "Love your content," it earns no clicks or replies. You can pin on TikTok Live too, but only through Q&A. Tap the plus, swipe to live, and tap Go Live. Then open Interact and select Q&A to turn it on. Each viewer question now shows a pin icon to tap. Live Q&A has a gate. It needs at least 1,000 followers. If you don't see the option under Interact, your account hasn't hit that threshold yet, and only questions can be pinned. Regular chat messages just scroll by with no pin icon. That's how to pin comments on TikTok, on regular videos, and on Live. For the full step-by-step, the live Q&A setup, and every limit, scan the code or visit us at phone.tips. Happy pinning!